In the meantime, remember when the president was talking about the virtues of UV light and how that can be implanted under the skin and all sorts of remedies available? Well, Christian Pinkston has looked into that technology. In fact, he uses a lot of this technology to protect employees and also to find ways of dealing directly with any potential recurrences of the virus and keeping office places very, very clean. Christian Pinkston joins us right now. Very good to have you. So how do you implement this or make this work?
Well, everybody's talking about getting the economy moving and getting businesses back to work, but we can't assume life's going back to normal. And a lot of companies are just implementing more toxic chemicals and deep cleaning to address the risk. But the minute employees come back into the workspace, it's contaminated. It's not good enough. And so we wanted to find technologies that will continually be sanitizing and cleaning the office 24/7. And we think we found 4 really good solutions.
Well, the primary one, the benefit to ultraviolet light is there for you. In other words, you've seen that it can be a means by which you can clean up stuff or at least prevent the spread of germs, that sort of thing.
Yeah, it's amazing. We are putting in technologies. It's far UVC Light, which is completely safe for human interaction. It's very effective at killing microbes, including coronavirus. So when you walk off our elevator, you'll go through a portal. I think you showed it. It's like a high-tech metal detector. And everyone that comes in, every delivery, every package, it is disinfected before it gets into our environment and near our team members. And we've also put that same technology in high-risk areas like kitchens, bathrooms, coffee bars, et cetera. And then we've included some other technologies that complement that, like a titanium dioxide solution that covers every surface in our office. And so it's constantly killing microbes, bacteria, and viruses, including coronavirus, that land on any surface. And we feel like a combination of those and a few other technologies is creating possibly the safest workplace in America.
All right. Thank you very, very much. I want to watch that. That's a very interesting development and would confirm at least one thing the president has said that could be an option. We'll watch it. Christian Pinkston, thank you very much. Well, you heard of the